Welcome students. Accommodation in Belgium is related to the charter power sharing. We have studied earlier about the majoritarian form of government in Sri Lanka. But in Belgium, just reverse of Sri Lanka, accommodation form of government exists. Belgium is a federal country. But before 1990, it was not a federal country. And there was a clashing condition between Dutch language speaking group and French language speaking group. But between 1970 to 1993, 4 constitutional amendments took place in Belgium. And political setup was changed. What were the changing of political setup in Belgium? Belgium became a federal country. In Belgium, it was decided there will be 3 forms of government. Central government, the capital government, and the community government. It was also decided the major decision will be taken by the majority from each groups. No, only one majority group will take unilateral decision. And the union government cannot give order to the state government. It means state governments will not be subordinate of the union government or national government. But main focus we have to give on different forms of government in Belgium. It looks very complicated. Belgium is a small country, and to conduct the country, to govern the country, there are 3 forms of government: national government, capital government, and community government. But major changing exists that in national government, there will be equal number of ministers from Dutch speaking group and French speaking group. In the same way, there will be equal number of ministers in Brussels government from a Dutch language group and French language group. And in community government, representation will be belong to each language group: Dutch language group, French language group, German language group. So it looks very complicated. But in latter date, it has been very successful. And it is running very successfully. The Brussels, the capital city of Belgium, is the headquarters of European Union. So we can take inspiration from the Belgian model of democracy, where super accommodation has taken place. What an excellent accommodation! Super democratic country. So it is about the accommodation in Belgium, how it took place. Okay.